In this video we are going to learn how to schedule content to Instagram using Facebook's Creator Studio. Firstly, you will need to navigate to your Facebook business page. Then, using the menu on the left, select Publishing Tools. On the left again, select the option labeled Creator Studio. A new tab will open. This is the Creator Studio dashboard, where you can create your standard Facebook posts. At the top in the center, you will see the Facebook and the Instagram icons. Select the Instagram one. You will then need to navigate to the menu on the left and select Instagram accounts at the bottom. This is where you will be able to see all the connected Instagram accounts. Click Add Instagram account in the top right corner to add your business account if it is not already there. Note that you will only be able to do this if you already have a business Facebook page connected to your Instagram. If you don't have a business Facebook page, you will need to create one. Alternatively, if you already have a Facebook business page, you may just need to connect your Instagram account if you haven't done so already. Once you have selected Add Instagram account, you will notice a permission pop-up appear. Select OK to grant access to your Facebook page. A new tab will open prompting you to sign into Instagram. Complete this process by signing into your business Instagram account. After successfully signing in, you will be redirected back to the Creator Studio, where you should now see your Instagram account listed. You will now be able to make full use of the Creator account, scheduling content and viewing various insights and analytics. To schedule your content, navigate to Create Post on the left, highlighted in blue. This will bring up two options. Select Instagram Feed. You'll then be prompted to select the account you would like to post to. Once you have done that, the post creator will slide in from the right. Here is where you will be able to compose your caption, upload your image or video content, add a location, tag other accounts, and include your hashtags. The difference between the Creator Studio and other social media scheduling tools is the fact that you can now upload multiple photos in the carousel style and schedule them for later. Once you have finished composing and scheduling your post, you'll be able to view it by selecting a content library, which will show you all of your Instagram posts. You can filter the content by selecting as scheduled from the post status drop-down menu. Another great feature that you may want to take advantage of is the ability to schedule IGTV videos. It works exactly the same as the post creator. You'll upload your video, compose your caption, add a description, select your thumbnail, and schedule. The last feature is the insights. You have the choice of viewing activity or audience. This provides you important information on the success of your business Instagram account. You'll be able to explore how your posts are performing and the audience you are reaching. You have now learnt how to use the Creator Studio to schedule posts to Instagram. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries or are interested in taking your social media further, visit www.scorpiodigital.co.uk or send an email to info@scorpiodigital.co.uk.